California poppy flowers are vivid orange, but they can also be yellow, cream, or even pink. They have cup-shaped blooms with 4 petals that form a cup-like shape that opens in the morning and closes at night. They have green, feathery foliage. They are drought tolerant. They love sunny, dry conditions in their well. They love sunny, dry conditions. California poppies readily self-seed themselves, ensuring a continuous display of color. Sow the seeds directly into the soil after the last frost. They prefer well-draining soil and full sun. They require minimal care beyond watering during dry spells. The bright flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. California poppy is an annual. This means it completes its life cycle in one season, producing seeds before dying. However, it readily reseeds itself, so you can enjoy California poppies every year. California poppies thrive in dry conditions. They prefer well-draining soil and can tolerate drought conditions once established. Here are some. California poppies love full sunlight for abundant blooms. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent root rot. The sandy loam texture is often suitable. Once established, California poppies are drought tolerant. However, during dry periods, they may benefit from occasional deep watering. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root problems. California poppies do not require additional fertilizer. If a balanced fertilizer, use it sparingly. They are adaptable to a wide range of temperatures but prefer warm climates. California poppies are native to the western United States and Mexico, and they thrive in the dry, open areas such as grasslands and hillsides and coastal bluffs. These regions often experience hot, dry summers and mild winters, which are ideal for California poppies' growth. They grow to a height of 6 to 12 inches, have low spreading, dense mats of flowers. California poppies are generally considered hardy in USDA zones 8 to 11. This means they can tolerate as low as 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. However, they are not frost tolerant and may not survive harsh winters in colder regions. If you live outside the hardiness zones, you may grow California poppies as annuals. Simply sow the seeds directly and enjoy the blooms throughout the season. California poppies are typically a vibrant orange. However, they can also be yellow, cream, or even pink. The color variation often is influenced by genetic factors or environmental conditions. California poppies bloom in the spring and early summer. The exact timing can vary on the specific location and weather conditions. In areas with hot summers, the poppies may bloom earlier and become dormant during the hottest months. In coastal climates, they bloom most of the summer. Planting California poppies is a simple process. Just choose a sunny location. They love full sun. Prepare the soil. Ensure the soil is full draining. You can amend heavy clay soil with sand or perlite, and sow the seeds and scatter them over the prepared soil. Cover them lightly with soil. Water the area gently after sowing the seeds. California poppies typically germinate in 1 to 3 weeks. California poppies readily self-sow. This means they will bloom and produce seeds. The seeds fall to the ground and germinate the following year, often creating a naturalized look in the garden. This self-seeding behavior can be a benefit as it ensures a continuous display of flowers. However, if you prefer a more controlled growth, you can remove the spent flowers before they go to seed. The best time to plant California poppies is in the spring after the last frost. This allows the seedlings to have plenty of time to establish themselves before the hot summer arrives. The specific timing will vary on your location, but a good rule of thumb is to wait until nighttime temperatures consistently stay above freezing. You should sow California poppies very shallowly, about a 1/4 inch. These tiny seeds need light to germinate and can be damaged if buried too deeply. Simply scatter the seeds and lightly rake them over. California poppy seeds germinate best in cool temperatures. Ideal germination temperatures range from 60 degrees to 65 degrees. And this is why spring planting is often recommended. California poppy seeds typically germinate in 10 to 14 days under ideal conditions. Okay, that's all about California poppies. And if that helped at all, and if you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.